Oh man, is Tyler the Creator going to be the next Yay? Well, listen, his latest drop is sold out basically. The LaFleur collection. You know, it's what I like. You know, it's what it's what everybody likes because we all like affordable fashion. Don't get it twisted. Everybody wants to hear about Lamborghinis and Balenciagas and all that fly stuff, but ultimately this is what we wear. We wear affordable clothing. This right here, $120. Just $120. That's pretty cheap. They came out with 4 colors. I'm going to rate the colors in my opinion. In my opinion, this is Complex's site, how to buy it, but we're going to rate it. Now, number 1 on my list would be this pink pair because it's very standout. The soles are different. The soles are pink, still has the bellboy on the bottom, comes with 2 laces, got the fat shoelaces like the Rick Owens. Don't forget, Rick Owens, the Ramones that everybody wears, those are reminiscent of a band that Rick Owens used to like that used to wear Converse. So this is where it all started, even for Rick Owens, from Converse. So you're going to see this, and you're also going to see styles and stuff that Rick Owens uses now, which are the jumbo laces and things of that nature. So this is number 1 in my book. Well, I gotta say it's a tie. This is like number 1, the pink pair, but I also like the it's like the all white multicolored. This is another pair, real stylish, different color soles, jumbo laces, bellboy in the bottom. This is a slam dunk hit in my opinion, and they're sold out. So it's not just me. Other people are checking for Tyler, and after Tyler did his collab with LV, there are a lot of eyes on him. This collab is gone. You can't get it right now. And those are my favorite 2. Those are the top 2. Then after that, I would actually go with the green. Why would I go with the green? The green is just a standout look. It's something that it catches people's eyes. You can throw it off, meaning you can have an all black, all white with the green shoes. Not everybody has green, so I definitely would go with the green after that. And last but not least, why would I say last but not least? Because I think it's a dope pair too, is the mostly blue pair. Now, this is a very nice set of sneakers, only $120, meaning a lot of people jumped on it. It's unisex, the ladies, the guys, everybody's rocking them. That's how Converse are. I love them. I need to know what you guys think about them. And if you look at the bottom of them, they don't have any pictures right here of the bottom of it, but they have a bellboy. You're going to be like, what the heck is this crazy looking thing on the bottom? Here's a good picture of it. This is the LaFleur bellboy. This is going to be on the bottom of the shoe. Not exactly like this, but something like this. Also, I want you guys to notice the jumbo laces are in style. You can see right here on Rick Owens' site, the shoes, they're modeled after Converse, Rick Owens' very own. And they have the jumbo laces. This is what's bumping right now. So if you have some shoes, some Converse or something that you want to make new, or some combat boots and you want to flip it and bounce it, throw some jumbo laces in them. You understand? Because that's what's really going on right now. And I think, in my opinion, because Tyler is pretty safe, he gets a little freaky at times, but he's a pretty safe guy. He may be the guy that's going to replace Jay. Who knows? He does affordable fashion very good. You know, I know he just did the LV stuff, but he does do affordable fashion real good. And this stuff is sold out. This is his site. Notice something's missing. Can anybody guess? The pink pair is missing. They only have these 3 pairs on there. The pink pair is missing. Let me show you how they're sold out. If you click on any of the pairs, let's click on, this is tied for my number 1. I keep going between this one and the pink one. Let's look at it. Everybody, the 8.5 is available, the 9, the 9.5, but most people are going to wear anything from like a 10 to a 13. And if you notice, they're all sold out. They're all sold out. The pink is not even on the site, and this size is all sold out. Which one is this? This is the green pair. The green pair is probably there. A lot of people, oh, look here with the green laces. That goes kind of hard. That gives me the Incredible Hulk vibes with it. The green pair, let's see if the green pair is sold out. The green pair went harder than the other pair. Than my pair. The green pair is sold out. And I told you the green is a striking color. That's why it's number 3. It's not even last. This is the green pair, the front, the back. It says Chuck Taylor. I wish you'd have put like Tyler or something on it. Look at the bellboy on the bottom. Kind of hard. That's the bellboy that I showed you guys. That's what's on the bottom of your sneaker. I don't know. Kind of. Maybe you guys might be looking at it and it looks crazy, but that's what's. Ooh, and it's on different soles. Look, one sole gives you the that, and then the other sole gives you the LaFleur. That's real dope. That's real dope. Let's look at what the sole. Let's look at what the sole of the other one looks like. Let's take a look at that. Let's scroll down. We're going to scroll down right now. We're going to see what's on the other sole. We're going to see what's on. It got the brown laces, and brown laces go hard. I ain't going to hold you. This is a very dope collab. That's what I'm saying. Tyler, he's doing his numbers. If there's somebody that's going to come up and replace Ye, it's going to be Tyler. Look, got the LaFleur on the bottom of that. Got the bellboy. This is hard, man. This is real hard. He's doing his numbers with that. He's doing his numbers. That's the green one. We already checked out the green one. Let's see this one. This one, I don't know why I'm not so in love with it. Maybe when I see it with the other, with the other laces, it do go kind of, they're all slam dunks. Let's see the availability. Huh, surprisingly this one is available. So everybody did like the other two. I rated this one last, just me myself rating, and everybody else is rating it last. The pink ones are totally sold out. This is the one with the most availability, even though it's a pretty dope color and it looks nice with the pink laces, you know. But this Tyler, he's freaking this affordable fashion, man. All he has to do is like do a collab with somebody like Gap, or just anybody else. I don't know what Fear God do a collab, but you know, he's looking at it. Now let's see what it's reselling for. I just want to do it real fast. This is the actual Converse site. Converse has them too, but notice Converse does not have the pink one there either. So we got to see how much these pink ones, before I let you guys go, let's see how much these pink ones are going for. Let's look at the pink ones. Jeez Louise, Goat wants a bag for them. 9.5 to size 13. The cheapest you'll get it a size 10. That's not too bad. $233. But look at the 11.5. $958. Wow, that's a lot for these Chucks, but they're in demand. It's a standout color. I don't know what color laces this comes with. Maybe red or something like that. But it's definitely a dope shoe. If you guys could get your hands on some. And now when I say get your hands on some, I'm not paying more than $300 for this shoe. I'm not paying, because Converse, they're very uncomfortable. Also, if you get Converse, whatever size you wear, make sure you size up a half size, because unless you want your back hurting after wearing your cons, you got to throw a little Dr. Scholl's or something in there. Depending, if you got a super duper arch on your foot, you may not have back problems, but Converse, you always have to size up a half size so you could throw an insole in them. So over here on Gold, they're reselling for a big bag. Let's see what they're doing on StockX. StockX, they're not bad. The prices are good on StockX. Go to StockX. StockX wins in this situation. So let me know what you guys think. Is Tyler up to create? Yay! You know there could always be two lanes, but how is Tyler faring this year? He hit it out the park with the LV. Now he has these LaFleur These sneakers are sold out everywhere. I think he could do it, man. I'm really liking what he's doing. Drop the comments. Y'all let me know how you feel about this, and I'm out of here later.